Is there anyone who doesn't remember their happy past feelings? Everyone has experienced this, nostalgia. In spite of being negative, nostalgia has some great benefits. In this video, I will discuss about the characteristic, causes and give you some awesome tips on how to overcome excessive nostalgia. Coming up. Hey, what's up guys? This is Surendran here from our YouTube channel, bringing you a lot of fascinating and inspiring facts. In this YouTube channel, I will discuss about the facts which are known, unknown and also popular facts among the community. So if you're already here, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you guys will receive notification each time I put a new video. So please continue watching. Let's get into the video. Nostalgia is an electric impulse created by human brain to be sent to human body to respond to whatever feelings that invade us. In fact, this nostalgia word is based from two Greek words. First one is nostos, that means return, and second one is algos, which means pain. So this nostalgia will occur when we have heartbreaks, which can be due to love failures, sudden death of our beloved people, friendship failures and a lot more actually. So how does the nostalgia works? And what can we make of our feelings? Well, it is a genuine mistake that we have realized that we had made in the past that's still disturbing us. But it is even a grip of a characteristic of mental health. So there are two types of nostalgic feelings. First one is restorative. Restorative is feelings that you are rebuilding yourself from the past and you while slowly relieving yourself from the past. Second one is reflective. Reflective nostalgic feeling is you stick and struggle to the mistake that you had made in the past while you accepting the past is a past. Nostalgic people tend to be more optimistic and they have a great positive energy surround themselves. This is because nostalgic is basically a common response to a change that our human brain create. So how you actually can overcome this excessive nostalgic feeling? Well, I found some useful tips that I can share with you guys to overcome this feeling. The first one is you can share your mind with the person who is the closest to your heart or with the person whom you trust a lot. The person can be a friend, a mother, father, or can be anyone who is that you can trust a lot. Why you need to do that? While you talking to them, you can reminisce on the past and also you can get some useful solution from the person. The second one is you can try to meditate. Meditation you can done by lighting up incense sticks to create a good aroma in the surrounding. So this can eventually broaden up your mind, calm you down and also create an inner peace inside yourself. Then I think this is the efficient way that I have ever found from anywhere. The third one is listen to good music. Music can spark nostalgic memories and has ability to instantly bring your soul to the place and time where is very meaningful for you. Listen to good melody song rather than listening to hard rocking song. So this rhythm of the song actually can influence your mind. So it's everything got to do with your feelings. Then go for a long travel. Grab a car. If you don't have a car, borrow from your friend. Grab a car, go for a long drive, listen to good music, get some good food while you're driving. Find one far place from your current place, sleep there, think and then travel. This can make you forget, like while you traveling you can enjoy the scenarios that you can ever found in this world. So I think this is a good way And finally, read some books which can help you to gain more knowledge about something. Narrow down your niche in some certain sectors that you major of. For example, if you are good in music, try to find some good useful books that can enhance the skill in yourself in music. So this is some useful tips that I found the best and the efficient one for you guys to ever overcome the excessive feeling. So guys, we should trust not a single feelings that we are having now, but in VP disconsolate state, they were persuasive reasons. Even if in our sadness now, we surely cannot remember even a single thing or precisely remember a single thing that we did in the past. So am I right? So returning to the past wouldn't make us content. So it would merely, at all great costs involved, remind us of why change was necessary in the end. We need to accept that good things do exist, but it's just that we don't have a proper solution to our well-founded emergent needs. It means that we are accepting ourselves that we are as difficult and as complicated to satisfy as we are. We should have the courage of and should be ready to pay up the full price of our true complex nature. Well, I've ended my session. I've explained you the characteristic causes and give you some awesome tips to overcome the excessive nostalgic feelings. So I have a question of the day. My question of the day is, what are your tips to overcome the excessive nostalgic feelings? Do drop on the comments, and guys, please subscribe. If you're already here, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you will know that I'm posting videos. And please continue watching, and please share my videos if you like it to other people. We educate people, we educate the community, we rise by lifting others. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, keep crushing it, and we will talk soon. Bye.